I got issues, but I love myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I would really appreciate if you take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Let's start with today's video. So today we are going to do truth or dare, which my friends apparently have asked. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so the first question is, what was my worst or the most embarrassing thing I have searched on the internet? So it probably has to be something very dumb, okay? Like I have searched things like 2 plus 2, like not 2 plus 2, but yeah, you can relate to me if you have searched such dumb things. So I have searched that, and I have even googled myself, so maybe that is embarrassing. Thoda embarrassing. Okay, so the next question is, when was the last time I lied? I don't think I actually want to get there because as of now my parents don't know, but never know if they'll see this video in future. So I'll instead choose a dare. I mean, I may have lied, may not have lied. We never know. So I'll do a dare only. Okay, so my first dare is, I have to show the most embarrassing picture of mine. Okay, I have a lot really embarrassing pictures, and I don't know which one to show actually. So I guess here it is on the screen then. Yeah, that was pretty embarrassing, and yeah, you can take screenshots and shit, I don't mind. Yeah, I'm exposing myself on YouTube. It's not that big of a deal. Come on. Moving forward, the next question was my biggest fears. So I actually have 3 fears, and yeah, I don't want you to judge me because of them. And honestly, I don't care if you judge me as well. Jo karna kar lo. So my biggest fear would be fire, because there was this incident, and it was in 2019, right? My birthday is on 13th Feb. So right before my birthday, there was a fire in the building which is just alongside my building, and I was home alone. My parents had gone for a wedding, and literally a lot of cylinders did blast in that, and the my windows of my house, literally, which is 2 buildings away, were shaking. So I was kind of terrified, and since then I have been terrified of fire in general. And my second fear might be insects, like literally all kind of insects. When I say I am scared of insects, I literally mean it, because I've never even killed a mosquito. I don't know, I'm scared, and it disgusts me. So I'm not into insects. I'm very scared of them. And I guess I'm scared of injections. Yeah, that is what I've been telling my parents, that I won't get my vaccination also. No, because I can't do with injections. Yeah, they are very painful. उनको रोना आता है. नहीं होता मुझसे injections. Yeah, shut up. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Something my mom doesn't know. Well, again, my mom doesn't know, so I don't have to say it. I mean, I think my mom knows everything, but yes, I'll do a dare. So my next dare is to eat 4 chilies. And if you know me, I am quite well with spice, so it really isn't a big deal for me. I'll eat chilies like that only, I don't mind. So here's a clip of me eating chilies. I think I might be eating more than that. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I have 5. So I don't know. Let's say wheel. So this is, oh no, we have 4 only. Yeah, 4. Sorry. So this is the first, second, third, fourth. So guys, I'm done with my chilies. Okay, so next question was, when was the last time I was extremely drunk? And if you all don't know, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do shit. Yeah, no. It's not that I'm forced to like not do. I mean, obviously, ghar pe it's like you shouldn't, you don't. ऐसा कुछ तो समझ गए ना, हाँ बस. So it's like I myself don't want to do that. I'm not into all that stuff. I don't like it. I mean, I encourage people. I don't encourage, but I don't mind people doing it. My friend, a lot of people I know do this, so I don't mind that. But it's just that I don't see myself doing all this because I don't know. I'm not into it. It does not, intimidate me. No. Okay, so the next question is, what is the most embarrassing thing I have done in public? Okay, so this one time in DMart, I went to DMart to shop, obviously to shop for grocery or something, and I was playing around with the trolley as usual. Pro trolley के साथ खेलने में मजा आता हो गया प्लीज. So I was playing around with the trolley and I was just like swing कर रही थी मैं. तो swing करते करते the worker there, the employee there, I by mistakes might or might not have spanked him. It was hilarious and it was so freaking awkward. I literally ran from there with my trolley. I did not even leave the trolley there. I ran with the trolley and I was still playing after that. I mean, I did not care, but it was very embarrassing for him and for me as well. Yeah. What's the most disgusting thing that has happened to me in public or in general? Yeah, the most disgusting thing, shit, I'm exposing myself on YouTube in front of so many people. Okay, never mind. The most embarrassing, most disgusting thing that has ever happened to me was I fell into a gutter once. Yeah. Like entire body except my face. Like all into the gutter. And people had seen me. Yeah, so yeah, no, you would not listen to this. Question is, who is my crush? Well, I'm doing a dare. So my dare is to eat 1 spoonful of hot sauce, okay? So we are doing that. So here I am with this, no, though they have not, I'm not sponsoring them. They have not sponsored me. Yeah, wahi. So this is Nylon's red chili sauce. I'm going to drink that because that is all I have available right now. I'm not in my home, I'm in my hometown. So yeah. I have so many ideas to do with but they are all with my friends. And I just can't wait to get back to, Mumbai. I miss Mumbai, yaar. Yeah, so let's drink hot sauce, guys. This is, if you can see, a spoonful of chili sauce, and I should drink before it spills. I should eat it before it spills, okay? I did eat it, and as I said, my spice tolerance is really amazing, so it's not spicy for me at all. Yeah, and I have had some spoonful of chili sauce pehle bhi. Next question is, if I ever was caught doing something I should never have done. Okay, this I might have to think about. I guess so. Yeah, I have actually, as such. Oh, yes. This one day I was, not one day, I always study only. So this one day I told I was studying, and it's like my door is here and my bed is just alongside the door. Like I don't face the door. My table is facing the door though. I was sitting on my bed and I was on Netflix. So I was doing that, and my parents thought I was studying, and my stupid ass fell asleep while watching Netflix show, and my parents caught me doing watching Netflix. So yeah, and that wasn't a kid show, I guess. That was some adult show only, and they saw it right on the steamy part. So you can get the situation. Please, yeah. उसके बाद बहुत डांट पड़ी मेरे को, बहुत ज़्यादा. तो yeah, so that is that. Moving on to the next. Okay, so next question was basically that when I drop food, how much time, what is the maximum time I've left it on the ground before I eat it? So I think sometimes when I drop it, if it is actually very interesting, I wouldn't mind 2-3 minutes also if it is on the ground. I mean, like if the ground I know कि चलो मेरे घर का है या फिर इट्स माई रिलेटिव का घर, तो आई नो इट्स वेरी क्लीन एंड हाइजीनिक, तो उतना है 2-3 मिनट्स फॉर श्योर, आराम से 2-3 मिनट्स तो निकाल ही जाएगा. बट इफ आई एम आउट, आई डोंट ईट नीचे गिरा हुआ खाना, लाइक एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. नो, आई मीन be it chocolate, ice cream or whatever, I won't eat when I'm outside. Plus it's COVID, तो वैसे ही नहीं करती मैं, तो कोविड की वजह से तो और भी नहीं कर रही मैं. तो या when I'm at home आराम से 2-3 मिनट्स तो चला जाता है. 5 सेकेंड रूल तो गया मेरे लिए 2-3 मिनट रूल मेरे लिए. क्या 5 सेकेंड गिरे या 2-3 मिनट्स गिरे, सब सेम ही है. कीड़े लगने होंगे तो लग गए, नहीं लगने तो नहीं लगेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्क्राइब योर क्रश. Okay, I'm going to do a dare. Okay, so basically my dare is that I have to eat lemon without making any expressions. Make things juicier, I got 2 lemons, okay? Wait, let me get the seeds out of here. Ew. Yeah, they're all set. Okay, I'm not sure if I'll be able to have it without, making expressions. Oh, I've not removed all the seeds. Wait a second. I eat lemon, but without the expressions, I'm not sure. Plus, these are ghar ke nimbu, and they are very, very sour. I don't think I have made any expressions yet. If I have, please let me know in the comments below. I'm done. Yeah, now I can make expressions. It was very khatta. I might need water after this. But I'm very arsy to get up now, but I'll have to also wash my hands. So, okay, so I'm back. And let's continue. So the next question is, whom do I hate the most and why? 1 minute silence, guys. Okay, so if you're very, very, very close to me, you know this, you know whom I hate, and you also know why. But anyways, I'm going to do a dare again, and this time, if I'm not wrong, the dare is to get into the shower with fully clothes on. No, I'll have to cut it. The dare is to get into a shower with all my clothes on. Yeah, I'll just remove my watch and my, accessories and shit, and then I'll get into a shower pakka se. Okay, here I am to take a fully clothed shower. Yeah, I'll have to switch on my watch. I was not planning to wash my hair today. Wait, let me arrange this. No, I'm not going to wet my hair because I have to go out. And I won't remove my chashma because spray must khana chahiye usme. Yes, guys, I have done all my dares now. I have taken a fully clothed shower, guys. So going back to the next question. What is this rumor about me that I've heard, which is not true? I mean, rumors. Oh, rumors aren't like, rumors not necessarily are true, na? Or is the definition like, no, rumors aren't necessarily fake, na? They can be true also. Yeah. I got confused. So, most of the rumors that have been around me, I mean, what I've heard about myself, are false only. And there are a lot of rumors I've heard. One is that I dated Ayushman, like, he was one of the most amazing people I had met. He shifted school, he changed school basically in ninth grade, in his ninth grade and my eighth grade. So, no, actually, he shifted it. He changed school in my ninth grade and his 10th grade. So, I think that that was a rumor, and the other rumor must be that I dated one other friend of mine, which was not at all true. So these, I mean, ऐसा dating वाले ही rumors आते हैं यार. So this is the second last question, and which is, if I ever wanted to fire one of the teachers, like from school, from coaching classes, anywhere, who would it be? Okay, so first of all, I have huge respect for the teachers, especially what they have done in the COVID situation, like with the online teaching, how they have, caught up with all the technologies and stuff. I have huge respect and I love all my teachers for everything they have done. But yeah, there is this one teacher, like, all good. I'm not saying her name, nothing. And I wouldn't mind if she continues. Anyways, I'm done with my schooling. But yeah, if I were still in school, I would have kind of fired her. Yeah, so basically I'll do a dare. I'm not saying this name. Obviously I'm not saying the name. So the dare is to drink 2 glasses of So the dare is to drink 2 glasses of water in 10 seconds. थोड़ा impossible है मेरे लिए. If my first barrier should be 10 seconds only, but अगर 10 seconds में नहीं हुआ तो 15 seconds is my last. If I am not able to do that, then I'll have to chug literally 1 liter of water right now. I'll do that then. This is for the timer. Okay, yeah, you can see it now. Yeah, so basically I have these 2 glasses of water and I just have to start them. Okay, this is very, I'll just hold 1, 3, 2. Oh yeah, wait, they are full. Okay, both the glasses are full, if you can see. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Glass full water. I just had lunch actually. I spilled water on my iPad also. My mom's going to kill me if she finds this out. Yes guys, so returning to the last question of this video, which is, have I ever had a crush on any of my teachers? So yeah, I don't probably want to answer that. And again, I will be doing a dare. Yeah, I'll do a dare. And in this dare, I actually have to put eyeliner with my eyes closed. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so I think I might be ready. This is my Lakme iconic liner pen with fine tip ka eyeliner. Yeah, so I'm going to just wait, let me feel my eyes first. I don't know where my eyes are. Okay, so I have to, oh my god, this is so difficult. Wait, no, I'm going to struggle. I have to do it on both eyes. Shit, bro. Okay, fine. Bro, what is this? Oh no, I did really mess it up. But wait, let's fix this. Oh, the electricity is back. And now I have the glow. But my eyeliner, oh my god. I tried to do that. TikTok वाला नहीं चल रहा क्या आजकल कि they do like वो करता है ना वो लोग. Was trying to do that. But Oh no. I tried to fix it, but I did mess up big time. Oh no. What is this bullshit? I look so ugly. Gee, I'll have to do my outro in this. Ow, my legs are hurting. Okay, so we are now on to the second eye. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. Where is this? Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, shut up. Shut up. I just have to, so, do this. Ooh, I kind of did look. I kind of do look good. Okay, shut up. Wait. No, I messed it up. So this is my final look. Let me put my chashma on. I can't see shit. I mean, I can, but I look ugly without chashma. I look ugly either ways, but anyways, you guys understood my point. So yeah, this is what I've done with my eyes, and I currently am failing at the TikTok wala cheese. Wait, let me sit properly first. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.